Hi class, it's Adam. So I want everyone to please open their books up to Unit 6 and talking about machines to page 87. So open your books to 87. And we are going to continue discussing machines. So as a reminder, who can tell me what is a machine? What is a machine? Okay, and why do we use machines? Why do we use machines? Okay, give me two examples of reasons why we would need to use a machine. What are two reasons why we would need to use a machine? Okay, good job. So now we are going to move on today and talk and discuss levers. Okay, everyone say that word with me, levers. And can someone tell me who knows what a lever is? What is a lever? Does anyone know what a lever is? Good job. Okay, so now if someone wants to read, follow everyone fingers ready, and I'm going to start reading. But if you want to read first, you can pause the video and begin. Okay, let's begin by, oops, sorry, 1 second.
A lever is a rigid.
Okay, so a lever is a rigid bar with a which is placed on a support called a fulcrum. Levers can be classified by the position of the three key elements: the fulcrum, F, the load, L, and the place where the effort or force takes place. There are three classes of levers. Okay, so fulcrum, load, and effort. Now, can you tell me, how do we classify them? By the position, okay, by the position or location. So now, let's look at level 1. So moving down, this is our first. We have class 1 levers. Who wants to read this for me? Good. The fulcrum is between the effort and the load. So before we start, it says the fulcrum is between the effort and the load. Where in class 1 levers? So where's the effort? Can you circle the effort? Is this the effort? No. Is this the effort? No. Where is the effort? Here. It is E. Where is the fulcrum? Here. And where is the lever? Here. Very good. Okay. So where is the load, sorry. Where is the fulcrum? Between the effort and the load. Good job. All right. Moving to class 2 levers. Who can read this for me? Okay. The load is between the effort and the fulcrum. The load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Can you circle the load? Okay. Circle the effort and circle the fulcrum. Good. As a reminder, what is a class 1 lever? How do we know what it is? The fulcrum is between the effort and the load. Now, what about a class 2? The load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Let's look at the last type. Class 3. Who can read that for me? Okay. The fulcrum is at the end The effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Can you circle the fulcrum? Can you circle the effort? Good. Can you circle the load? Very good. Okay, so let's move over. Oops. So, the lever challenge. Now, class, I want you to work together, plan and draw a machine. Okay, so think of a machine that you want to create. So, think of a machine, and with paper and pencil, choose the materials you will need. Okay, so what will you need? Will you need wood? Will you need plastic, steel, aluminum? Now decide the order of steps to follow. Okay, compare your ideas to the rest of your class. Can you make a model of your machine? So think about what you want to create. Now think about the types of objects you will need to create them. How will you do that? Okay, so for challenge A, make a wheelbarrow. What do we need to make a wheelbarrow? What machines do we need? What parts, what objects? What do we need to make a seesaw? And what do we need to make a fishing rod? Good, class. Now I want you to try to brainstorm and come up with some ideas and different types of objects we need to make the differing machines. Very good. Okay, this is, okay, wheelbarrow, seesaw, fishing rod. Now looking at question number 2, it says copy the diagram of class 1, class 2, and class 3 levers into your notebook. So I want you to please look at these differing levers, class 1 levers, class 2 levers, class 3 levers. Write them in your notebook, okay? So draw this diagram and make sure to remember to put the E, the L, and the F in the correct locations. Why? Because that tells us what they are. So the E is what? Good. Effort. The L is what? Good. Load. The F is what? Good. Fulcrum. Then I want you to label the key elements like I said. Okay? Very good job. Nice job. Okay, class. So I have a question. I have a question for you. What type, in A, in the wheelbarrow, now looking at this, what type of lever is that? Is that a class 1 lever, a class 2 lever, a class 3? Can you tell me? It's a class 2 lever. Okay. Why? Because the load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Now, what type of lever is the challenge B? Good, a class 1 lever. Why? The fulcrum is between the effort and the load. Okay? And what type of lever is challenge C? Good, a class 3 lever. The fulcrum is at the end of the effort, is at the end. The effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Good job, class. So, you did a great job today learning about the different types of levers. Continue to read through this page again and copy this diagram in your notebook, please. Great job. Have a nice day. Bye.